How to install the Microsoft Teams app onto a computer. We recommend all students download the application. To do this, open up a web browser on the computer. For this example, I will use Google Chrome. In the search engine, type Teams app download. Then select Download Desktop and Mobile Apps, Microsoft Teams. Then select Download for Desktop, and then Download Teams. This will add the install file to the computer, and once it's ready, just click it to open. This will then start installing Microsoft Teams onto the computer. This should take no longer than 2 minutes. As we can see, the app is installing, so we just wait patiently for it to finish. The app has been installed onto the computer, and we are now ready to log in with our login details. The login details to Teams will be the same as your Office 365 login details. If you're not sure of your login details, please contact the school's IT department as soon as possible. You can do this by visiting the IT department next to room 34 on the upper site, or emailing itdepartment@tchs.uk.net. Log in with your credentials, and then select Sign In. Teams will then open, and you have successfully logged into the Teams app.